everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is a little different than the other videos on my channel. I thought it would be really fun to share my latest experience, which was going to my very first conference as a small business owner of my own furniture refinishing company. This conference is called Haven, and it's held annually every year for all different types of DIYers. So I documented the whole entire process from beginning to end to share and show you guys all about the whole experience. All right, so here we go. Even though you can't see what it says up there on the ceiling, it does say 2:55 in the morning, hopping out of bed, all packed and ready to go. All ready to go. Oh, yep, don't mind the clumsiness. Plus, it's early. My wonderful husband is out there waiting for me to load my suitcase and take me to the airport. What a trooper. Don't mind us while we just fly right along to the airport. Hey, there's no traffic this early in the morning, so it's kind of nice. Oh, we're here and we're ready to go. And as you can see, about 100 other people are ready to go along with me at 4 a.m. So I did miss the newbie meeting, but I did make it to the welcome reception, which was great because I got to meet all of these ladies. Here we go, day one, up and early. Good morning, Atlanta. Can't wait to get downstairs. We get a free breakfast, and then the fun begins. This is the welcome kickoff meeting in the morning. It was hosted by Brian Patrick Flynn, who's from HGTV Dream Home, and he also has a show on Magnolia. He was very inspiring getting the kickoff started for everybody. First class of the day, and of course I focused on YouTube. Same with my second class. It was also YouTube based. This was the joy of the meeting, is that you got to choose different classes that fit your niche, considering there was bloggers, DIYers, YouTubers, Instagram, TikTokers. So there was a lot to choose from, which was awesome. So I just wanted to check in. Today was day 2 of Haven. I'm getting ready to go downstairs. Yesterday was just so crazy. I tried to take as much video as I possibly could, but it was meeting new people and networking and classes and dinner, and it was just a super full day. It was so much fun. It was really fun to meet people that you've seen online for quite a while and just, kind of being a fan. So I met the Design Twins yesterday, which I'm a big fan of those two. If you don't follow them, you should. They're really cool. They have awesome home decor, Julie and Jody, and they are such nice ladies. So that was really fun. I met the ladies from Farmhouse Frocks. There's just so many artists here and so many influencers and DIYers and creators, and the classes, of course, are super great. Yesterday I took 2 YouTube classes, so you can choose what you want to focus on. There's all kinds of things from creating media kits to social media to just so many different things. So I am off for day 2, and I will check in with you guys later. Having a little fun with my girls in between classes. Off to the next class. This was at home with Ashley, and she taught about media kits, which was so incredibly valuable. Next class was all about Instagram, and this lady blogs 7 times a week. Here we were just making the rounds. These are a few of the sponsors that were at the meeting this year. A lot of big names. Our core group of girls, and Dixie Belle was kind enough to sponsor a dinner for us. It's already time to say goodbye, pretty much. That was the closing ceremonies, and then on to the final party, and it was so much fun. It was Roaring 20s themed, and we got there a little early, so we were just having fun, taking pictures, and just taking time to enjoy the moment and be goofy. I got to meet so many great ladies and made so many connections. It was such a good time. We did end up getting another final pick of all of us girls.
Hey man, 2021! Woo!
Well, that was it. End of the night. It was time because I had to get up super early for my flight in the morning.
That is it for the Atlanta trip, the Haven conference. It has been fantastic. I'm whispering because I'm in the hallway of the hotel, and it's 4:30 in the morning. I will see you guys. I'm just sitting here waiting. Lindsay and I from Forever Pink Vintage are riding to the airport together. You can hear in my voice how tired I am. The party was so much fun last night. We stayed up and partied in our roaring 20s outfits and had such a great time. But yeah, I'm ready to go home. My brain and body are definitely on overload.
Worth the time and the investment? Absolutely 100%. I would do it again. Till next year, Atlanta. All right, you guys, that is it. We are at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching today. I know this video was a little different than my norm, but I wanted to share this whole journey with you guys because I've shared so much over the years and this was a first for me. So I thought, what a better way to share this with others who might be wondering about, are there conferences? Are they worth it? So I wanted just to share my entire journey about my very first conference as a business owner and let you guys come along. So thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get all of my latest videos and also be a part of my YouTube community, which helps support my channel and keep me going. If you have any questions at all, I love engaging with you guys and will always answer all of your questions or any positive comments. Please feel free to leave them down below and I'll get back in touch with you. Thanks you guys so much and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.